Fifth one, write a Python program that creates three asynchronous function, okay, and displays their respective names with different delays: 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, you have to use async and await keywords, and if you want to use async and keywords, you have to import async IO module, right? So I have already this one. Just check here. You're importing async IO module, and defining function, async function here, delay and name comma delay, two parameters we are taking here, okay, and await keyword, we are delaying the execution of this function, okay, from delay time, sleep comma delay, okay, delay, second parameter, async dot sleep delay, and print name here, okay, simple one, print name delay and print name, that's it, delay and print name, this keyword, okay, and async define main, we have to in main function we have to write the task, different functions here is a task is equal to, in list three functions we are writing, delay we are async function, name and seconds, okay, how much function you want to delay this function, and async function to delay, async function delay parameter here, okay, and printing the name here, okay, and tasks in main method we have to write it this all these things, and just use a gather await keyword, gather task here. Gather means it's returns a future aggregating results from the given routines. Co-routines will be mapped in a future and scheduled in the event loop. This will not necessarily be scheduled in the same order. Tasks, whatever functions tasks are there, okay, list co-routine any none here, okay, and run main. Run function we have to use async IO run. Execute the coroutine and return the result here, okay. Run, if you are using async method, run method compulsory. In run method, main method is there. It is in every program this is compulsory, run and main method, okay. In main, whatever functions you have to write in task, okay. In task, and we have to use the gather function, simple, to delay your function execution. Just execute it. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, okay. So mostly these sync and await keywords we're using in scheduling events and scheduling tasks, okay, and server executions we'll use here async and await keyword using this main run and main common async IO, and also this main method is common. In main method only you have to perform the functions, whatever tasks are there, okay, whatever the functions you are applying you are writing this main method here, okay, async main method, and await method you have to write the gather function here.